Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create Telegram link. Alright, and it is very easy and straight to the point. So without further ado, let us dive into the video. For the sake of this video, we are going to use Notepad, but you can as well use Microsoft Word if you want, or any other editor out there. All right, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's open my Notepad. All right, so let's type out the code. So you type https://t.me/ you now add your Telegram number, that is your Telegram mobile number. All right, and remember to include your country's dialing code. Okay, so let me add mine. Yeah, this is the link right here. We are done creating the link. Now let's test what we have created. Okay, click open. Yes, now it has taken me straight to my Telegram message dialog box. So if I share the link with you right now, once you tap on the link, it will take you to this page where you will start chatting me. All right, so as you can see, it is very easy. All right, so this is how to create Telegram link. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. All right, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.